Yeah, good boy. Good boy. This is my dog Poppy. So when Poppy was first adopted, she was kind of on the skinny side. Then over time, she put on a little bit of weight. You know, she got a home, she got comfortable. So I started noticing she was getting chunky, and I was like, okay, you know, maybe I'm feeding her something wrong. Maybe something's going on that I'm doing wrong. So I take her to the vet, and the vet gives me this. The vet printed out a graph of Poppy's weight. Look, she knows. Do you know? We're pulling out the chart. Best part of this entire thing is the fact that the vet did not show me the chart. The vet showed Poppy the chart. Oh, man. I know. I had to ask the vet if I could also look at the chart. I was like, so she doesn't see the chart. She doesn't understand, but I could really use that information.
Jean-Claude. Yeah, tell me more. Oh.
My mom brought home this little trash panda and he always has to be touching me all the time and she thinks we are best friends when I actually hate this little demon.
Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said. They play with you and they laugh with you and they enjoy every daily life, they said. Well, what the ass?
Will you show me your tongue? Mommy has COVID. You have to do it for me. Show me your tongue. Wow! That made Mommy feel... Somebody come pet me. I'm showing you my belly. Ow! It's a trap! It's a trap! It's a trap! It's a trap! I'm a big kid now.
Buddy. Go get him.
His arms are going like this. He's like a DJ.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal.
Oh, shit! Stop!
So here's 2 days of trusting my dog to be in the backyard with the dog next door. They worked as a team and acquainted themselves.
If anyone out there is thinking about getting a Chihuahua, I would just like to say they are the sweetest, kindest dogs. They're so gentle, great with kids, great with other pets, and overall just a great dog for anyone to have. I would definitely recommend a Chihuahua.
Mira, está bonito el perrito.
Surprise!
What is that?
Es un perrito.
He's ugly. He looks like a whole rat.
A ver, dale un besito. Míralo. Dale un
No, go put him back in the streets.
beso. No seas así, mira, dale beso. Dale beso.
Ew!
What's up, buddy? Here, I know you're hungry. Here you go.
I ain't nothing but a dirty dog. A dirty dog. A briny hound. Now I ain't nothing but a dirty dog.
Watch how gently he takes this pretzel. You're so good.